now we are going to Flamingo. Maybe first time दिख रहा है. My alio olio, baby's chicken piccata, and our brunch anniversary. Hi, that's Angelina.
We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog.
Good morning, everybody. All the way from Las Vegas. Today is our second and last day here. We are all ready to check out and go out and about. Baby, आप ready हो?
All set.
We're all set. And चलो चलते हैं. First we need to eat something after checkout. वो करते हैं and we'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Enjoy day 2 in Las Vegas with us.
Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Prachi. I'm an international flight attendant. My husband and I are in Vegas to celebrate our 5th wedding anniversary. Right now we are out and about to explore the city on our last day here. Stay tuned and enjoy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So we had taken monorail from our hotel Sahara itself. On our way, this is the Sphere, most famous, and my husband is loving all the reactions it is showing. I mean, Vegas is so lively. Look at the sky. We are at paradise. It's so beautiful.
So now we are going to Link Promenade. We got on from the monorail at the Link Hotel. They have their own casino and everything. So let's explore the promenade now. So now we are at the Link Promenade. Hi, love. कौन है ये? चीची. So guys, we didn't realize Link Promenade is the same place. हम यहीं पे थे कल. वो पूरी हाई रोलर के पास यही है Link Promenade. And outside is the Las Vegas Boulevard. So now we are going to Flamingo to watch flamingo birds. Let's see. Thank you, love. So pretty location and everything is so pink. Welcome to Flamingo Habitat. Maybe first time दिख रहा है. यहाँ से और सुंदर आएगा. So beautiful. हाँ. Beautiful. सब कुछ पिंक पिंक किया ना बेबी. That's the charm. How's this place? Nice, huh?
Definitely, this Flamingo Hotel and Casino is a must-visit place to adore these beautiful creatures.
Such a beautiful place, baby.
Yeah.
And the flamingos are so pretty. First time for me, guys, to watch them live. बहुत ही सुंदर है. And by the way, आप flamingos देखने के लिए you don't have to stay in the hotel. It's free walking. You enjoy. The hotel casino is there. So overall, very nice and lovely environment. Let's enjoy more.
So you have to stand here because
Yeah.
पूरे वर्ड से राजा लग रहा है.
So this is the tour of the flamingo birds here at Flamingo Hotel and Casino, Las Vegas. Right now, after this, we will just walk through the promenade, Link Promenade and Boulevard again. And next stop is Venetian. Italian Mall, Venetian. Let's go there.
So, following the Google map, we have decided to walk towards the Venetian, and within few minutes we are here. I'm so excited to explore this one. This is the entrance, guys. Look at the entrance. So beautiful. It reminds me of the Roman architecture when I visited Rome or anywhere in Italy, basically.
Baby, so pretty, right? How is it? So beautiful.
But also
Casino. So everywhere the decoration is emphasizing on Chinese New Year. Sare wo is saal, it's the snake year now, as per the Chinese zodiac astrology. So right now we are in Venetian Mall or Venetian Resort and Hotel. अभी हम जा रहे हैं मॉल की तरफ, जहाँ मैंने सुना है it's very beautiful, gondola ride and all.
so this time it's the year of the snake. Last time it was dragons.
I know, I'm getting a bit overwhelmed by looking the beauty around me at this mall or resort, whatever you call it. But truly, this art is so lovely. So right now we are at the top floor of the Venetian, and यहाँ से बहुत सारी scenic view आपको दिख सकते हैं. You can take pictures, which we have also. And let's go. I'm very excited for the gondola ride.
Just like Villaggio. Yeah.
So obviously, as the name suggests, this mall is the replica of Venice town in Italy.
Such a beautiful place, na baby. Reminds me of Villaggio Mall in Doha, Qatar, where I live, guys. Abhi we are going to fetch some food for sure. Then we are going to take the gondola ride, है ना baby? It's a must for us. Absolutely. So let's have some brunch, no? Now, baby, what do you think? Okay. Yeah. Hi. Today's the last day.
We're going back again.
Today? Yeah. My aglio olio, baby's chicken piccata, anniversary lunch with my Chianti, most favorite Italian red wine. Guys, see you after lunch. And our brunch anniversary dessert is here. Happy anniversary, babes. I love you.
So proper anniversary brunch के बाद हम निकल चले हैं थोड़े से इस मॉल को डिस्कवर करने के लिए. So many good stuff around, but obviously I'm not going to shop because we are only carrying our backpacks, right? So just to explore, and the most awaited thing that we both are excited actually is the gondola ride. Stay tuned, and if you're liking this episode so far, give it a like. Do comment on your thoughts, and guys, please subscribe to my vlog. Thank you so much. So we have taken the individual one, that is without sharing, and both the prices vary, so you may choose.
Seattle is even more. It's worse.
Angelina, you want to say hi in my vlog? Hi, that's Angelina. Yes.
Are you staying there?
No, we are staying in Sahara.
At Sahara.
But,
that one is in the middle of. They changed names, but then they went back to Sahara and they renovated things.
It's amazing.
But I've been to Venice, the real Venice.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's Italy is my most favorite. No, I will take him for sure.
Oh, look at you.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, we did.
That's a nice.
We saw from the road as well, from the boulevard and from the top as well. Yeah.
That's the thing I always recommend.
Yes.
The South Show.
Absolutely.
All right, so we're passing this boat, and I'm going to sing my first song. Very pretty. Hey, bella posta, camionate sole.
amazing. Thank you.
Solomeo means my one and only.
Oh,
Romance.
thank you.
Perfect for
Our trip, our son. Yeah. Thank you. And this is the wedding gondola. We literally get married while being here on the ride.
Beautiful.
So lovely.
on these proposals quite often.
Yeah?
And I'm glad to say they've all said yes on my vote.
Oh wow! So you are lucky charm, Angelica,
Thank
today.
you.
So we just got done with our gondola ride. It was lovely. We took picture also, $40, and they click 3 or 4 pictures, but you can select one. Now our next destination is the Caesar Palace, right, baby? So chalo, chalte hain. Look at the Casino of Venetian. My God, beautiful.
Promoted cleaner around here.
Yeah,
It's clean.
so beautiful. Baby, hi.
So overall, it's absolutely worth visiting Venetian. It is completely a replica of Venice with San Marco Plaza, the Villaggio Mall, everything in place.
And we are going to walk. Yeah, Caesar's Palace is there. Just 10 minutes walking from here. Everything is walkable in this strip, Las Vegas North and South strip. So acha rehta hai. It's quite easy. So let's walk it off, baby. And the weather, so pleasant. Little chilly and with sunny combination, just perfect for us. Hai na? See you at Caesar Palace, guys. This is the entire Las Vegas Boulevard. So beautiful. So basically this is the Las Vegas Boulevard.
Welcome to Caesar's Palace, another lavish hotel with ornate walls. We are here to see the Fountain of the Gods, which is this one on the right. And look at this. It's beautiful. I think it's famous for, again, its casino and the shopping inside.
Very high-end mall and one of the oldest here in Las Vegas. So good to visit, definitely one of the attractions. And that's it. Now we are going to our next destination. Stay tuned to know what is it about.
So all the high-end brands are available here, obviously, and very tempted to shop, but again, I don't need anything right now, so we're not shopping. Such a vintage Roman architecture. Las Vegas is famous for its hotels and casinos, and that's what primarily you're going to see.
Guys, Atlantis show is not happening today, unfortunately. But maybe next time when we come. We can't see everything, you know. We have exactly good number of days. So, जो हमें interest आ रहा है वही हम देख रहे हैं और visit कर रहे हैं वो जगह को. But there's always more to discover for the next time, right?
That's the Chinese New Year's zodiac snake, by the way. And we are done at this Caesar's Palace Hotel and Casino. Enough of exploring that. Moving on to our next destination, which is this art museum. Stay tuned as the tour of this place would be telecasted in the next episode. Bye for now. Take care.